Back off, man. I'm a scientist.
I collect spores, molds, and fungus.
Why worry? Each of us is wearing an unlicensed nuclear accelerator on his back.
Hi there, I'm Matt, I'm a Ghostbuster, and I do science stuff. So, you ever have to blow up balloons for like a party or something and you run out of breath, you get tired of it? Well, today I'm going to show you a really easy way that you can make a Fizz Inflator at home to blow up balloons. So, you're going to need a few things. Firstly, you're going to need an empty soft drink bottle. Any plastic bottle will do, so you get that there. You're going to need some vinegar, and you're going to need some Bi-carb Soda, or if you live in America, baking soda. Then you're going to need some balloons and some funnels. You don't need the funnels, but it makes it easier. If you don't have a funnel at home, you can make one out of just cardboard or paper. You roll it up into a tube, cut the end off, and you've got a funnel. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, take your bottle, take your vinegar. You want to fill it up maybe a third of the way. Alright. Keep your funnel separate too, you don't want to get them mixed up. Next thing you want to do, take a balloon. I'll go with a white one. Again, this is easier with a funnel, but you don't need one to do it. So you take your Bi-carb Soda, or baking soda, and you just start filling the balloon up. You want to fill the balloon about halfway. A little bit more. Alright, I've gone a little bit more than halfway, but that's alright. My funnel stuff. Science. Isn't it great? So professional, we'll go again. Alright, one more scoop. My funnel nozzle got clogged. Alright. Get rid of the extra. Done. Alright, so now you've got your balloon, which should be about half full of baking soda or Bi-carb soda, depending on where you live. It's the same stuff. The next part you want to do, you want to take the top of the balloon and you want to stretch it over the top of the bottle. What you want to do is be careful that you don't drop the baking soda into the bottle. Alright, so you've got the bottle filled with vinegar, you've got the balloon filled with baking soda. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt the balloon up. Baking soda is going to mix with the vinegar. Let's see what happens. I'm going to put on safety goggles. Again, I've never done this before, so I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen. In theory I know, but in practice I don't. So let's see what happens. Okay, that's a tiny inflation. I actually had the edge of the balloon wasn't down properly, so I lost some of my gas. Alright, so what's happening here? You've got a chemical reaction happening. The bicarb mixed with the vinegar creates an acid base. And so the acid base produces a gas. Someone else that produces a lot of gas is Slimer. Disgusting. Alright, so the gas that's created is carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide starts to fill the bottle, but it needs somewhere else to go. With the balloon on top, it goes into the balloon and inflates the balloon. That was kind of underwhelming though, hey? Let's go bigger. Alright, welcome back. So that was really underwhelming. Wow. So this time I've filled the bottle about 2/3 of the way up. I've absolutely filled the balloon with Bi-carb Soda. So in theory, we should get a much bigger chemical reaction happening. So we should get a lot more carbon dioxide produced, which should in turn inflate the balloon a lot more, I'm hoping. I'm wearing the goggles again, the safety glasses, just in case the balloon pops. I don't think it's going to go that big, but we'll see. Better safe than sorry. Let's go. It's wanting to, but all the soda's not in yet. Okay, so that's a problem with too much soda. It's going, it's going. Ooh. Oh! My liquid is actually in the balloon. And the chemical reaction is still happening. So that was a little unexpected. That's pretty cool though. I don't know if you'd want to take that to like a birthday party. It's I don't know if you can see. Inside the balloon is actually filled with vinegar. Oh, there we go, it's all pouring out. Okay. So there we go. If you have to blow up balloons, it's probably easier to use your mouth, but that's still pretty cool. So if you want to try that at home, again, all you need is a plastic bottle, some vinegar, some Bi-carb Soda or baking soda. It's the same stuff, it's just different names in different countries for some strange reason. A couple of balloons and, yeah, a couple of funnels, and you can inflate to your heart's content. We had no explosion, so I didn't even need these, but that's alright. Alright, I'll see you next episode. Bye!